Little storyteller.
Chef Lily, a happy crayon drawing with bright red cheeks and a tall, wavy hat, stood behind a paper plate table. On the table were colorful crayon drawings of yummy food, a juicy red apple, a slice of cheesy pizza with yellow squares, and a big purple grape. "Welcome to Paper Plate Feasts," Chef Lily said with a big smile. "Today we are having a super tasty paper lunch. Two friendly drawn bunnies, Barnaby with fluffy blue fur, and Pip with soft yellow fur, hopped over to the table. They had big happy eyes and wiggly crayon noses. "Ooh, yummy," Barnaby squeaked, looking at the colorful paper food. Pip nodded eagerly. Chef Lily picked up the paper apple and held it out. Barnaby opened his drawn mouth, and Chef Lily gently erased a tiny bite from the apple with her pink eraser. "Crunch, crunch," Barnaby said happily, a little drawn smile appearing on his face. Next, Chef Lily offered the paper pizza to Pip. She erased a small triangle from the cheesy slice. "Mmm, cheesy," Pip mumbled with a delighted smile. Then it was Barnaby's turn for the grape. Chef Lily erased a little circle. "Sweet," Barnaby giggled. Soon all the paper food had tiny erased bits, and Barnaby and Pip had the biggest, happiest drawn smiles. "Thank you for the yummy paper lunch, Chef Lily," they both said. Chef Lily smiled back. "You're welcome. It's always fun to share a meal, even if it's made of paper." As the bunnies hopped away, full of happy paper food, Chef Lily winked at the camera. "Did you know that sharing yummy food with friends makes it taste even better? It's always nice to share."
Please subscribe. Thank you.